Right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating mga kababayan. Alright, this is PSEi recap and we will be discussing kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari na sa market and what are we expecting. Especially, we are seeing a lot of breakdowns, especially sa mga index names as well. Napakahirap, mahirap i-trade yung market ngayon. Of course, generally speaking, dapat ngayon we should be on the sideline. We have already seen this happening. 2 weeks ago pa, I told you na last part or last week ng July, there will be probably the start ng selling ng malalaking funds, and hopefully you're able to at least, if not partially dodge it. Alright, so again, if not, that's part of the game as well, and ganyan talaga. Alright, so again, before we do yung ating recap, alright, pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung ating quick word from our sponsor. This comes from Proverbs chapter 22 verse 10. The blessing of the Lord makes rich, and He adds no sorrow with it. Napakagandang verse, especially for most of us, traders. Probably, ang interpretation ko rito, or from what I understand, yung salitang rich, this does not mean yung rich na money, right? So, it could mean many things, especially yung health. Of course, alam naman natin, even if you're the richest man, kapag ka may problem ka sa health talaga, parang halos nababaliwala na lang yan. And even, some saying na they would rather lose all their wealth basta may gain lang yung health nila. That is very much true, di ba? Nangyari kay Steve Jobs 2011 yata yun, di ba? He has all the money, he has all the doctors, but definitely he cannot purchase yung health. So again, not only that, diba, it could mean yung relationships, our mental, emotional, diba? And most importantly, yung spiritual, So again, what could we extract from this verse also is the Lord really desires us to be rich, Nandiyan yung blessing. So all of us should pray and ask for that blessing. And of course, lalo na pagka ganito, lalo pat yung mga viewers, yung mga nanonood sa akin, di ba? Sa ibang bansa, maraming pwede mangyari, So again, as I always remind you, it puts yung perspective, proper perspective sa buhay. Kaya nga, it's very, very beneficial yung pagbabasa ng Bible. So I keep on encouraging you. Kasi kapag ganito, binasa mo, ilang words lang to, pero pag inisip-isip mo nga siya, tama yung nakasulat dito. And encourage you guys, to have a habit to read the Bible. Tapos, not only read it, but yung kinakailan you have to ponder and think about it, di ba? So again, that is our quick word from the sponsor. Again, as we start yung review, anything that I would say, we're just really we're really trying to estimate kung ano yung mangyayari, but definitely yung sasabihin ko is not 100% ang mangyayari. Probably might happen, but more than anything else, lalo pat pag ganito yung market, maaring sumablay. So again, ang general advice ko pag ganito yung market, and definitely hindi maganda to stay on the sidelines, observe, relax, di ba? So kapag in-example mo siya, para kumbaga sa mountaineering, no? I don't know if any one of you yung nakaano sa mountaineering, di ba? Sa mountaineering, most if not yung accident nangyayari kapag pababa na, no? When you reach the summit, tapos pababa ka na, 'di ba? Doon ka na medyo pagod ka na, and then pwede kang madulas, yung apak mo pwede magkamali, and then nahihila ka rin ng bigat mo. So again, yung market parang ganun yan, no? Kapag ganito yung market, and then trade ka pa rin ng trade, and then saka gustuhan mo na mabawi yung initial profit mo, nilalakihan mo yung trade size mo, and then boom, no? Hindi ka lang, you did not only get your profit slash but yung capital mo na rin mismo, no? So again, ang advice ko pag ganito yung market, lalo pat wala kang makita maganda opportunity, is to stay on the sideline, observe, and wait for the market to recover. So again, anything na sasabihin ko dito, dapat yung final decision should rest upon yourself, no? Wala kang ibang sisisihin kung hindi yung sarili mo, no? Do not wish na yung market would be much easier, kasi hindi yan mangyayari, no? Market is very, very difficult, no? If napakadali nito, everyone should be doing it, no? But the reality is, for every 100 traders na nag-start ng trading, 80 to almost 90% yan, after a year, it's already out. Tapos fresh traders na naman. So, dapat pagka ganito, you should be striving for longevity, no? Yun muna. Yung makatagal ka. So again, let's start. PSEi draft, 275 points, no? Closing at 7854. So yung 275 points is the second biggest drop, no? Since March. Ang pinaka-biggest draft natin week to week is 321 points. So that tells you everything, no? Second biggest drop, so definitely alarm bells are ringing in your head, and we have seen, no, yung drastic change ng emotions of the market, yung complexion of the market, napakahirap, no? We have seen recently yung JFC, yung breakdown in JFC, di ba? Nakita nyo, no? Even the blue chips, hindi rin yan ganun ka-secure. Kaya nga, don't be fooled kapag sinasabi na you should invest in this because malakas yung kumpanya na yan. Nandun na tayo. But you should not definitely rely on that sa company na lalo pat yung market, no? Yung index na yan, nagbabago-bago yan. May nalulugi rin dyan, may naaalis, may pumapasok. So, you have to be very, very cautious, no? So again, perspective mo, 275, second biggest drop, at least for this year, no, 2019. And mind you guys, no, if ever hindi ako nag-release ng video or guide or yung review ko for myself, meron ako, no, sinusubaybayan ko pa rin yung market. So next on our watch list, technically speaking, marami na yung nag-aabang, no? Especially mga traders dito sa 7.5 or 7.6, no? So medyo pag-apak dito nung index, no? Wag naman sana, but if ever maghahanap na tayo ng parang trade opportunities. Number one, yung mga stock na nagko-consolidate and then papataas, or yung probably mga heavily battered stock na might as well reverse, no, pagdating dito, no? So again, hold your fire, be on the sideline muna. Let's see, no? Let's see yung development for the next coming weeks, kung ano yung mangyayari around this area, no? 7.5 or 76 area, no? So again, it might be a seasonal thing, no? Especially August, alam niyo naman yan. It's a yearly thing. Probably, hopefully, ganun nga nangyari para at least makarecover konti yung market, no? Mahirap i-trade yung market ngayon. And don't be fooled, no? Pagka ganitong, even yung magagaling na traders, nagkakaroon din yan ng drawdown, no? Ang pinagkaiba nga lang is gaano kalaki yung peak to drawdown mo from your peak to your valleys. And ang pinagkaiba nung nag-uumpisa pa lang or probably yung hindi pa masyado master, yung kanyang system is magkano yung nare-retain mo, no? Doon sa initial profit mo na from January to June, magkano yung natitira sa'yo? Ibig sabihin ba, naubos mo ba? Or, di ba? So, kinakailangan nandoon yung risk management mo. And may mga systems ka na magsasabi sa'yo na, oops, medyo hindi na normal to market. I should be probably slowing down. So, again, 7.5 or 7.6 yung inaabangan natin. So again, next on our watch list or probably move of the week, no? 8.99%, ito yan. ABA. Bago mag-breakdown yung market, we're really hoping na yung dito sa area na to mag-hold, no? Yung 1 to 104 area, but it did not hold. May malaking breakdown dito. It did bounce, no? Dito sa area na to. But probably short-term support natin would be at 0.90, 0.92. Huwag ka munang bumili ron. Let's see kung ano yung magiging reaction niya sa 0.90, 0.92. Kapag dun sa area na yon nagkaroon ng mga doji, sunod-sunod, or probably nagkaroon ng constriction dun sa area na yon, might be a good position, no? For a quick swing trade, but generally speaking, yung risk reward mo medyo maikli, no? For you to execute yung trade na yan. Kahit pa paano, at least, no? Hindi naman ganun kagrabe yung breakdown na nangyari dito sa ABA, but of course, you should be on the very, very cautious, no? Pagka ganito yung market. So again, yung sentiment for the week is definitely bearish, no? So, meron tayong internal and external factors na nangyayari. Of course, externally speaking, trade war, no? US has already begun, no? Another set of tariff sa another 300 billion worth of Chinese goods. And as much as we would like to expect na hindi tayo affected, looks like, no? Looks like we are affected by the US and China trade war. Of course, that is probably top 5. Yung dalawang countries na yan yung ating trade partners. So, bagamat malakas yung market natin locally due to the local consumption, we could definitely see na may epekto rin sa atin, no? For Q2, 5.5%, that is the lowest, no? Lowest growth in 17 quarters, no? To put that into perspective, we have 4 quarters in 1 year, no? 17 quarters. So quarter 1, we have 5.6, quarter 2, 5.5%. So definitely, itong quarter 3, we should be all looking at, no, kung ano yung mangyayari, kasi that would very much, pretty much dictate what will happen or trend sa rest of the year. Now again, slowing down, and of course, tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, this might be probably a seasonal thing because August, no? We should only trade kung ano yung nakikita natin. Of course, hindi natin pwedeng may predict yung mga economic changes and mga policies, especially ng mga ibang bansa, no? Wala tayong bolang kristal para malaman yung mga news na yan, no? So, sino bang mag-aakala, no, na magkakaroon ng another set of tariffs, no? So, hindi natin alam yan. But, yun ang sinasabi ko, no? Definitely, mayroong effect yung mga news na yan. As much as you would like to rely dun sa technicals, the more yung time frame mo, no? Especially pag nawala ka na dun sa intraday na 5, 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. daily, yan, medyo kinakailangan. You're already balancing the news, no? In technicals as well. And of course, especially if you're weekly, mas lalo na dapat kang mag-balance between the news and technicals. So again, yun ang ating sentiment. We're very bearish, no? For the next week or two. Let's now move on. All right. So we're definitely seeing na merong resistance forming, no? Squeeze. Kaso medyo ngayon yung mga squeeze na price action ngayon medyo hindi reliable, no? So 1180 to 12 nakikita nating resistance. If we are in a good market, probably I would buy dun sa squeeze, but definitely not. We're not definitely in the good market. I'm seeing na probably mag-pivot dito sa 1050 area, no? But be very careful, no? Because PXP, as you know, news-driven stock, it's very, very much susceptible sa mga big drops, no? Especially, no? Last year, yung December or November, no? Dito, yung mga ganyan drop, that could definitely kill your portfolio. So again, be very careful dito sa PXP. News-driven, no? So, ang inaasahan, somehow magkakaroon ng deal. Ang sinasabi, yung lumalabas sa news item ngayon, 60-40 in favor of Philippines pa raw. So again, hindi natin alam kung ano yung mangyayari dyan. Last year, na-disappointed, di ba? Pagbisita ni Xi Jinping and then wala masyadong na-form na agreement. Big drop, no? Sa PXP. Tingnan natin, no? But technically speaking, kung hindi na mag-hold yung 10-50-10 area, I think it much better na iwasan tong PXP or cut loss na lang, no? Pagka hindi nag-pivot dito, no? So again, pwede rin naman na magkaroon biglang news na positive, mabigyan mo ako ng big volume dito, pag break ng 12, I could still ride it, no? At least mga 1450 to 15, no? Pwede kong i-ride yun. So again, be very careful dito sa PXP. Napakadelikado nitong PXP because this is a news-driven stock. Lalo pat you don't have the time to watch it. Napakadelikado, no? Next on our watch list would be SLI, no? If you remember it right, January, ito na yun, 1.36. If you could still remember, sino pa yung nakaalala? But, yun nga lang, for me, I was not able to ride it hanggang doon, no? But, probably one of my winners as well. Itong SLI, maganda. Even though we have already reached yung flash point, I think this week, nagkaroon ng flash point. Hindi masyadong naapektuhan itong SLI. Looks like the holders are in this for the long term. For SLI, no, siguro, if you could buy this sa 207, 217 area, yung green area na yan, kung magkakaroon ng retest dyan sa area na yan, at tapos magkaroon ng constriction, neutral, doji, di ba, sa area na yan, might as well start to build your SLI, no, di ba? Dito, ito, huling-huli natin to, itong movement na to. Again, so one of the still bright spot, no, sa ating market, itong SLI. Ang ganda ng trend niya. Sa simple trend following, medyo yun nga lang yung entry. Talagang di rin basta-basta nagbibigay ng entry. Laging may hesitation, tapos pagkakita mo, already nagko-continue na yung trend. So again, SLI, slowly build your position. Or the much better, palpasin mo muna itong bearishness of the market. Tignan mo kung ano yung situation ng SLI. And probably, we could definitely see kung ano yung magiging sentiment dito. Kung magpapatuloy ba or delayed reaction lang yung nangyayari dito sa SLI. Next on our watch list, CHP. Yun na. It finally did break yung key resistance dito, no? So around 320. So that definitely confirms na maganda yung magiging movement nito, at least, no, compared to the other reversals, no. CHP remains strong, and of course a good spot to watch, no, yung retest nitong area na to, 317 to 320. You might want to catch, no, yung pivot. Puro mahirap na ngayon halos talagang pivot na lang talaga no, and then pag nag-breakdown ng pivot, cut loss. So again, but from what I'm seeing, mukhang may buyers din tong CHP talaga. Maganda halos lahat nag-breakdown na. Ito naman tumaas, no. Imagine mo yung yung swing na yan, no. Lakas. Of course, that's CHP. Alam niyo naman yung stories niyan. Laggards for the last year or two, but right now nagkakaroon ng kahit papano magandang price action. So again, next on our watch list would be FEN. For FEN, we could definitely see itong 280 to 290 area. There's forming topish, really topish, no? Pagdating sa area na yan, medyo hirap na talaga dyan sa area na yan. Triple top na yan, hindi pa rin niya na-break. But, for FEN, actually, the reward is not there. But, ang maganda lang naman dito sa pen is yung volume, no? Consistently, yung pen has volume. So, you could probably sa mga rest of the stocks, hindi mo magawa yung big volume, no? Or probably yung mga quick swing or mga chupet na tinatawag dito sa pen. Nakikita ko pa naman, no? Nandoon pa rin yung volume. And wala pa naman siya yung talaga masasabi nating breakdown ng matindi. At least, no? I would probably watch yung 240 to 245. Dapat mag-pivot siya rito, no? So, if not, I wouldn't really mind itong pen na I would really avoid muna, no? Kung hindi man mag-pivot dito, 240 to 245. Again, yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo, dapat yan, kung halimbawa, nagustuhan nyo yung idea, dapat watch daily, pinapanood nyo yan. Kung how it's forming, kung tumutugma ba sa idea. Kasi hindi yan naman mangyayari. Halimbawa, pag sinabi kong 240, probably, ngayong week, hindi mangyari, tapos next week pa, di ba? So, dapat, may watch list kayo, tapos sinusubaybay nyo talaga yung movement. Kung tama ba, o nag-perform ba yung ideas. Because, literally, anything can happen, and, again, dapat handa kayo, no? May mga, may mga trade plan kayo, if sakali, di ba? Like, for example, di ba yung mga nag-materialize na trade natin, IDC, di ba? AVS, last 2 weeks. Last week kasi hindi ako nakapag-release ng trade. Again, next, PPG. No? PPG again, no? I mean, nakukuha nyo, yung watchlist natin halos parang bumabalik lang during the start of the year. Ito rin yun sila rin yung mga yung mga watchlist natin nung No wonder itong pagdating ng month na to, sila rin yung naging natin. Pinapanood natin PPG. Maganda pa rin yung volume. But for PPG, no? Dito ako mag-aabang, no? I do not like itong last 3 candles niya. 540, no? For a quick swing to 558, dito ako mag-aabang sa area na yan, no? If bumaba pa dyan, cut loss, avoid muna, no? So again, PPG, ang gusto ko rito, may volume pa rin There's volume, there's liquidity. More of a day trade, no? Tsaka yung, tawag dito, yung pachupit-chupit, itong PPG maganda, no? Lalo na sa intraday, maganda pa rin laruin yung PPG. So, lalo na sa mga non-index stock. think this is one of the few choices na pwede mong laruin na intraday. So next on our watch list would be definitely ABS. So ito nga, tumama yung ating ano rito, no? So again, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo rito, ito rin yung mga watchlist ko, no? So, kung ano yung sinabi ko sa inyo na titignan ko, doon lang talaga ako nagtitrade. Most likely, no? Unless magkaroon ng development or news na maganda talaga, or price action. Nag-stick lang ako sa plano ko. So again, ABS, dito, no? Nag-fibot siya dito sa area na to. Around 1850. Alright, so again, hindi naman din ganoon kalakas yung push niya. But at least that's yung sa nakikita ko maganda senyales, no? Because once the market dives, no, yung mga laggards and yung mga bottom dwellers, nagkakaroon naman sila ng much more greater chance na sila yung umangat, no? Definitely kasi yung mga nasa taas nagbabawas. And then hahanap ngayon sila ng pwede, no? And fundamentally speaking, itong ABS is maganda yung earnings, no, recently. And of course, long term naman nito, delikado rin dahil baka nga mapasara to, no? 'Di ba? Because of course, you know all the news. So again, just trade what you see. And yung news dapat doon mo ibabase, no? Depende sa nakikita mo. Last but not the least, wholesale. Right, what more can you ask for? Etong wholesale nito would be my marker, no? Once this moves, this one of the stocks na or indicator na magsasabi sa akin na yung market is definitely getting healthy, no? So again, on the consolidation, again, as long as 13.9014 is not taken out, I would be very bullish dito sa wholesale, no? You could search all you want. Ito na lang probably yung structurally sound na maganda-ganda, yung consolidation, no? One of the few stocks na structurally nag-iipon ng lakas, no? Let's see, no? Hindi maganda yung kanyang financial reports, but 'di ba? Hindi naman siya bumaba ng matindi. We have definitely see some flash crash. Hindi rin siya masyadong nauga. So it only means one thing, no? He has survived yung two times na dapat bumaba siya, but hindi natinag because nagko-consolidate pa siya. Again, you might as want na mag-spike siya bago ka bumili, no? Or build a small position, tapos pag nag-spike, dagdagan na lang. Depende sa iyo, no? Basta, as long as hindi ma-take out yun, no? Yung 13.90. If ma-take out yun, definitely I would change my mind pagdating dito sa wholesale. No? But from what we see sa price action, maganda, no? So again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Of course, huwag kayong ma-discourage, no? Just keep on surviving lang. And then, kapag ganito market talaga mahirap, huwag kayo masyadong maniwala, no? Dun sa mga napapanood nyo sa iba na who is parang trying to show na hindi pa, hanggang ngayon kumikita pa rin siya. Mahirap yung market. So, I don't know kung may mga guru na nagpa-flash ng kanilang portfolio ngayon. Definitely not. Walang gumagawa niyan. And of course, take responsibility of your trades. Paulit-ulit naman na yan. And anything can happen sa market. Right, see you next week.